I'm sick. I'm sick.
What the heck?
It's just my.
What is this, 1884? Listen to that.
God, that hasn't been oiled in like 200 years. Hey, you know, I took cooking oil, I put it on my wheel, and it don't squeak anymore.
It sounds like a personal problem.
Hey, I couldn't find no oil, so the cooking oil works perfect. Oh, man.
Ah, TMI, TMI! Should go over here.
You guys are terrible. Terrible! Oh, man, right on this thing. Whips it.
Yes, very.
Right back. I gotta fly from Yaka.
Look at that. Who was that? Keon? Why is it like he's mad at it, man?
There's no one else I know who flies. Take it up!
Damn, Frankie. Look at you, man. Ooh, doggy.
Roger. All you, baby, all you.
Oh, shit.
This place, I forget how maneuverable.
One of my nose gear's stuck.
Oh, yeah?
And I don't know why. Yeah, it's fine now. It does that every now and then. When I hit rudder, it gets the thing to stick. There will be no probing today! Look at that, Frank. Nice. Nice, buddy.
Holy shit.
What?
Did you just like take off?
Yeah, I did. Woo! Going up.
Oh shit.
It's alright, I'll come back around.
We're pretty well matched.
Yeah. You want to do it? Go. I'll come in behind you.
Oh man, you like went vertical, dude.
Yeah, it kicked up a whole bunch of dust too. I wanted to make sure the nose didn't get planted. You know how it does sometimes? With the gyro in it, it flies even better. I almost don't, because when I do, I really appreciate it. You know?
Dude, look at that. It just goes. You tell it?
It goes.
It's like, yes, sir.
Yep.
Sir, yes, sir. I mean, that's how my wife wants me to be, but I'm not.
Going up a little bit, and then I'm going to do a high-powered dive. Going off to the left.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5,000.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5,
Oh, you said sneak, right? Whoa! Didn't like that. I think to be safe, I'm just going to come in. Yeah.
gear down, landing flat.
I think I can probably make it. Even though I waited late. I think I can still do it. Yep. Nice, look at that. Nice escort. Whoa, don't get stuck.
Flaps up.
Landing!
Skirt!
Landing.
Come on in. That's the first time I've gotten it to tip. Look at that. That gyro just keeps it locked in. Look at that. Nice, Frankie.
Yeah, I love this thing. It's just,
Perfect.
it's amazing. And even the steering is so easy. I don't have to worry about
Other than that damn freaking old horse and buggy squeak. All right, you're clear.
this thing is ugly at the bottom. So when that
Yeah.
go, that just like
Yep.
fucking
And it ground down your fin.
around my fucking just like.
Oh man.
But hey, no one sees it.
No. Just go faster. They don't see it. Yeah, that was fun.